Miatas aren't that bad.
That was fun.
Do you want to learn about some sweet tuner parts that you could take home for free?
Well, we've got news for you. We will be reviewing authentic performance parts and giving them away to one lucky enthusiast.
Check out our webinars live now on slipanglemedia.com. Gain some knowledge of these sweet tuner parts and have the opportunity to take them home for absolutely free with great odds.
Focused on my face. Shannon. What's going on, everybody? Welcome. I'm gonna keep this very brief because you all came here just to hear how the exhaust sounds. But I just want to explain it's a 1997 Mazda Miata with a Racing Beat header and a Racing Beat Power Pulse race exhaust. So the axle back is their new canister style exhaust, and I'm also running with their Power Pulse mid pipe. It has a resonator. Let's face it, Miatas don't sound amazing, so I want to keep the rasp to a minimum, have a nice deep tone to it. We got this car running a couple weeks ago. We put a stock catalytic converter on it to pass emissions, and we have a track day coming up, so I'm only switching that out, well, just to see how it sounds, and because I'm curious. And maybe we'll gain a horsepower or two, but you know, who really knows? So, don't hate on me too much. I love the environment, and I respect the environment. I just want to see how it sounds and give you all a good idea on how this exhaust sounds, because to be honest, I haven't found many videos on the internet running this new exhaust. So let's get right to it. We'll do a cold start, a couple of revs, a launch, and a flyby, both with the stock cat and then with the ISR Performance Resonated Test Pipe. I'll put a link to everything below so you can check it out for yourself. Let's get right into it. So sketchy leaving your camera on the side of the road. Am I blown out like a flat tire? A little bit. Just kind of look like a ghost. That's alright. Well, That went the exact opposite of how I thought it was going to go. I thought if anything the resonator was going to make it a little deeper sounding and just a little bit louder, but now I've got this rasp between like 4,000 and 5,500 RPMs. Not a huge fan of that, so I don't know. I think I'm gonna buy a high flow cat, throw that in there and call it a day. But thank you guys for tuning in. Let me know your exhaust setup in the comments below. I am going to start installing sway bars and end links on this car, so be on the lookout for that video. Don't forget to subscribe to Drive It Ryan and the Slip Angle to see more of this car. Thank you all. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.